She's at this stage where all she wants to do is pray, focus, manifest, and hustle. So she's releasing negative energy and welcoming peace. She's no longer easily accessible. She's in her own lane, and there's no speed limit or traffic to slow her down.
Hey y'all, good morning. Welcome back. Yes, I am holding you guys real quick this morning in my hand because my car mount, I let Alicia borrow it, but she's giving it back to me today. She used it for 3 days. She can go buy her one. That girl go out every day, and I be like, girl, you better go to Burt's, get you a car mount. I am. So she got to go get one today. Or she just won't have one because she ain't use mine no more. I love her, but I need mine, baby. So anyway, how y'all doing this morning? Welcome back to my family. If y'all are new to the channel, welcome. My name is Alicia, of course, and this is my Southern crew and family. So y'all, welcome to our home.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with our bedroom door locked. They're like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right here we got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't.
Alright, what's going on, family? I got my water boiling. Don't pay attention to this rice because I'm probably not going to use this. But I am frying some bacon. Got these going in this good old skillet fryer. I got my grits on. And I'm about to put these crescent rolls on. I just started the grits not long ago, so they just starting to boil. I should have put them on way earlier because I like my grits to cook low, slow, and long because I don't want no gritty. My grits got to be creamy and buttery. So I'm going to let these babies go. And then I still have to do this bacon because everybody's eating. And then I am doing some crescent rolls. And Philip is about to make his cookies because I'm going to get in this kitchen so I can get out.
Come on over, let's pick up where we left off. You and I had lots of love just to top it off. We can wind and down for days, never let it stop. I just want your everything, baby. Maybe later we can dance, never let it go. Listen to our favorite songs on the radio. Losing up and lose ourselves to this feeling, oh. I just want your everything, baby. I'll be deep under your influence tonight. Ooh, keep it coming, babe. I don't mind another round.
Y'all know they finished cooking.
Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel it dripping from my mouth. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling from your bottle, baby.